Hey guys, it's Lawson Owen with Proactive Dealer Solutions. For over 4 weeks now, we've been offering up the Automotive Contingency Plan. It's been a live telecast that we've been doing every week. We've had over 1,200 people attend those live telecasts, and there's been a massive outreach to us from those attendees saying we need something that's going to go deeper, something that's going to be more actionable, something that's going to be more tactical, if you will, something that'll not only allow us to weather the difficult times, but to position ourselves so that when we come out of this, we can succeed quicker and greater than our competition within our marketplace. So we've listened, we've heard you, and beginning on April 28th and April 29th, we're going to be touching on every position within the dealership. If you're a dealer or a GM or a GSM, what do we need to do structurally or organizationally? If you're a salesperson, if you're a BDC manager, if you're a BDC rep. So we're going to do a deep dive into modern or digital retailing, and we're going to give you all the tools, all the insights, all the process maps, all the word tracks, all the timelines, everything you need to succeed in modern or digital retailing. So again, it's going to be on April 28th and April 29th from 1:30 to 3:30, a two-part series. Click on the link below or give us a call for more information.